Hey YouTube family and friends, this is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a garden tour like no other. Oh man, you saw the thumbnail? That's right, this is something to see. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, in this raised bed, I'm supposed to have collard greens galore. That's what I'm supposed to have. And if you seen my video last year that people are still commenting on, this was the video that I had the collard greens. I even bought collard greens, some, and they're all been destroyed. These are starting to try to grow back, but it's a disaster. All right, so I'm not gonna let this defeat me. I'm gonna go ahead and try to replant, and I'm gonna tell you what happened to my bed. But I gotta show you something else first. This is unbelievable. This is like the first time something like this has happened this bad. All right, we're at the next location, so let's just go ahead and see. All right, now in this row, I had my cauliflower all down here, gone. Now I do have some collard greens a little bit, but they have been mowed down as well. And if you look close, I tried to put a cover on these eventually when I found out what was going on. I just took the cover off. Now I got, I guess, aphids tearing it up because I neglected to come back and to keep checking. Look over here. This is what? This is my broccoli. I had broccoli. Look at the stem. Look at that. Right here. All down here. Look at the stem. Gone, 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 gone. So, if you are new to my channel, over the summertime, I had an issue with rabbits, the first time ever. And well, I'm gonna show you something else too. And I never had that issue before. So this was kind of baffling because I have a fence. All right, that is my fence all the way around that protected me and my garden. So I had no clue until I saw the little rascals out, and I thought they were all gone. I put all my plants out. I put a lot of my plants out. I didn't put every single thing. I had to restart some things, but in these spaces, I went ahead and I replanted in these holes again, and I lost about 60 plants, or maybe more than that, because I replanted again and again before I put everything I have out here to try to figure out what was going on. And if you look over here, my bok choy got 8 down. They're starting to try to come back. Over here, my celery got mowed down. Over here. Down this road, if you look right here, I had the cabbage. I tried to get a jump start and it backfired. This is one that's finally coming back up, but it was mowed down as well. Now I do have my carrots. They didn't mess with that last year. That's where they started to mess with. I got a couple onions in here. And of course, I have my onions right there. And in my front yard, I'm pretty okay because I have a raised bed there. And it's a double decker. That raised bed used to be 2 on 1, but it's been eaten away. That's why I decided to get the other raised bed to see how that works in one of my previous videos. But the rabbits have been driving me insane. I didn't think I had that issue, but what I am going to do, I'm gonna come back with another video and to show you what are some other things that I'm trying to accomplish so that I can stop the rabbits from tearing up my garden. And I want to get this worked out because they tore up my summer garden. I still was able to get some watermelons. So if this has been happening to you, I don't want you to give up, because I was in a garden depression because you saw I neglected this area over here. I put the cover over it, and I thought that would probably stop everything. I just pulled the cover off. That is the cover that I just pulled off of it. So I got a lot of work to do because I'm still going to try to get something for this season. So if you ever experience this, don't get too down on yourself. Yeah, I guess it happens to a lot of gardeners. It just happened to me this first time in 16 years, because I've been here 18. I think I started gardening maybe the last 16 on this property. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna spray these plants and see if I can kill the bugs that's on it. And I have my neem oil right here, and I think I put a little bit of mint in it as well, because if I'm going to plant in this area, which I definitely will plant over there, I want to try to make sure I don't have the bugs jump on them. I may need to just go ahead and take these plants out, but since I've been decimated already by rabbits, caterpillars, and now these bugs, I got to do something. So here's me spraying it down, and I probably will keep doing this a whole lot to see if I can salvage anything. Oh, so that's my garden tour for the day. I wish it was a lot better, but just let you know, this is happening to me. I hope it doesn't happen to you, but if it does, don't let it beat you down too bad. Let's get back in there. Do not quit. I thought about it and I said, hey, I ain't built like that. So these bugs, these pests, the rabbits, they better watch out, because the bear is coming. All right, y'all take it easy, and I'll see you next time. The next time you see me, chances are that bed is gonna be filled with all the goodies.